Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing some felting today. Okay, so we're going to start with a clean place to lay our felt. After laying the covers down on the felt, we're going to go ahead and cut about 2 inches larger. So make sure your covers are clean, and we're going to spray on the adhesive. Okay, it's very important to center the felt on top of the cover and start at one end and work your way slowly down to save yourself some frustration. And having to pull the felt off. Do not try to do the whole thing at once. It'll wrinkle and you'll have to pull it off. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side, so we want to make sure we have another clean surface to lay the felted side down on. Okay, so you want to pay special attention and cut this at 3/8 of an inch larger than your Reflectix, because when you put down the next layer of felt, that way you'll know where the edge of the Reflectix is and you won't cut into it. So in this section, we're basically doing the same thing, except for we want to make sure that we put, a good amount of glue right on the edge of our first layer of felt so the two pieces stick together well. So now that we have both pieces of felt adhered to the Reflectix and to each other, we're going to go ahead and make our final cut. So we have that 3/8 inch line that we did on the first piece that we laid down. So it kind of gives us an idea where the Reflectix is, but we want to cut that down to about 1/4 inch or 5 millimeters away from the edge of the Reflectix. So here's the fuzzy covers we really like. Very nice, feel really good. You're gonna like them. Anyway, stay going. There it is. It's installed. For the larger covers, I used paint sticks for retainers. So that's about it on this video. And if you have any questions or concerns, or would like to know anything further about materials or anything, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.